Hi, my lovelies. Welcome to Beauty in the Trade. My name is Leandra, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I got my 50k funded account on a US30 trade with the CPI news with just 2 trades. So this is my analysis for US30. I waited for the open for price to show me where it's going to go after the CPI news. I'm on a 1-minute chart here. So that was CPI news. So I waited for the market to open to show me where price was going to go to. It needs to pull back to buy higher. So I fibbed. I don't know if you can. So I fibbed the 1 hour candle. So you can see this orange area here is the 50% zone of the fib. So I fibbed it from here to here. That's where the high wick is. So I marked up all my zones. And on MT5, they've got a gap in price from this very bullish candle from the CPI news. So I marked up that up as a red, these red lines, in between these red lines, that's where the gap in price is. And so if I go down to the 15-minute, there is a bullish order block here. So I marked that up in case price decides to go all the way down to this area. But as we can see on the MAs, that is, you know, where the 50-minute, the MAs is in this, you know, gap in where the gap in price is. So it might just pull back from here, and not go all the way down to the 15-minute bullish order block. So if we go now back down to the 1 minute, yes, it's created a bullish order block. So for me, that is an indication that price is going to go back up to probably this order block and push back down to fill this area. Oh, that was 50% of the fill. So it's time to just get out completely. Let's see. That is, yeah, near enough to 50%. Well, it's just gone over the 50% actually of the fill. And I'm already up like 2,000 on a 50k account. So that's good. So what else was I say? Oh, that's right. So this is the 5-minute chart I've got here. I'm just looking at the 5-minute chart and flicking back and forth from the 5-minute to the 15. The 15-minute, there's a bearish order block there. So we've got 5 minutes to go on this candle. Yeah, so I'm just keeping it on the 5-minute chart for now. And then on the 1 minute on this side, so I know where price is. But yeah, we've got imbalanced, you know, to fill down here. Down here. So price might come down to this area, or it might come to the 78.6 area. So I'm just waiting. Wait, oh my, I'm just waiting to see what price is gonna do, and being very reactive, because I want to keep my profits. I don't want to lose my profits. So I'm marking up this 1 minute order block here because prices respected it, and it's again pushing back down. So I'm going to be silent now, guys, because I've got to get back to my day job. But we are nearly like 3 grand up, so that's good on this account already. Well, yeah, we are 3 grand up. We only need 2 grand more to pass this phase. So keep praying for me. I was watching Own Your Leisure, so that's what we've got here in Market Mondays with Flume Weather. So it was a very interesting chat. Yeah, so that's my analysis on US30 on Wednesday the 30th. I know it's got to go back up to this order block here to come back down, but I really don't want price to do that. I really just want it to go to the 78.6 and then buy up, because if it goes to 78.6, I've made my 10% on this account. So then I can, you know, relax for the rest of the week. Well, not relax, but I don't have to, you know, be on the charts as much trading. We'll see what it does, but you know, 3.5 grand is more than enough. And I'm grateful for it. Spend 4K. This price is really drawing to the lows here. I need to get on my work. Like it did when it got to this area here and it filled the gap. It did bring me to 4 grand, yeah. So let's pray it's gonna. Oh wow, I'm up. Right, let me go on to the 5 minutes so I know what, so I can see what's going on these charts. From the lowest long time, we might go to the 78.6 area, or it might wick down because there's no more news for the rest of the day. We're going on a different time frame. See if we've got any more order blocks. Then we haven't. Set for the 15 minute. And that could be one order or not. I really don't want to. I really don't want it to go all the way up here. I really don't. Because we've come so far. Why do we want to go back? We don't want to go back to our old ways. I have marked up an area on my phone which has another gap in price. And it's at 34312.75. Yeah, just below 7.6. I wonder if it's going to look that area. Not as red. So I know what that area means to me. We've got like 1 minute left in this 5 minute candle. I think that, well, from what my experience in US30, when price reaches the half an hour, 30 minutes, half an hour on the hour mark, price loves to, pull back, retrace. So 5 minutes before, like 25 past, price likes to like pull back and then go into that area. Or when it's an hour before, and like on the hour, say like 3 o'clock, price would like to pull back like 15 minutes before, 20 minutes before, and then go in that area. So I try not to enter either like 15 minutes before the hour, because price definitely, as I see, it tends to pull back and then go in their direction on the hour. So it's like I've definitely got to look at the charts and analyze it this very discreetly in terms of, is price going to go this way? Isn't it going to go that way? Because it could easily do a pullback like 15 minutes before, like say 3 o'clock or 12 o'clock. So yeah, it's just one thing that I found about US30 and how it moves. My days, if it continues to go down, then I have achieved my 10% on this new account. Like, oh my days, it will just be such a relief. Oh my days. God has just been so good to me. God has just been amazing. Oh my gosh, I need 500 more. On my days. On my days. So we're going to go down to that 78.6 area. It's going to go past that area. What's it going to do? What are you going to do today? I'm going to have to put on my worship music after this because this is... Oh, it's gone back up now. Today has been like not as hectic as yesterday at work, but it's been a pretty busy day. I've got a lot of work to do after this and my day job, so I really just want this to complete and so I can get on with the work that I need to do. And I've got to go out as well to my cousin's party after this. Oh, I think you made it. Yeah, we made it. Oh, and we made it. Yeah. I hate when it does this. It's gonna mess you up. Oh, yes. Done. Done, done, done. 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 Completed. 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 Oh, completed, 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 completed. Oh my days, yeah. That's my teams. Pinging, but that's amazing. That is amazing. I'm just so happy that I got. So that was, and it's probably going to go to this 15%, but I'm not going to. Oh, that's all I need. I don't need any. Oh, I need to get on with my job. This is why I exit trades early and I don't let them linger till, you know, the 15, like to this 15-minute bullish order block, because one, I know this is a bullish trend, and this is the counter trend trade. Two, about work, I need to get on with work, so I need to just be in and out of these markets within the hour, and it has been an hour, so that is great for me. Let me check actually, has this been an hour? Yeah, I got in on this hour candle, so I'm super happy about that. Oh, I just feel so relieved. God has just been blessing me, blessing me, blessing me, blessing me. So that was I wouldn't even say I would say it's probably a 1 to 3. That was a 1 to 3, so that's 216 pips. The second trade, sorry, the first trade was 1 to 13. I don't think it was because it didn't pull back at all. And then that was 343 pips. The second trade I got in was 216 pips, but this one did pull back all the way up here. And I did hold my trade, and I did kind of go in a negative on my account, negative like 300, actually, sorry, 400. But I was still in profit on the first trade, but because I pulled back, it still went a negative. So, but yeah, I held it because I knew that price was going to drop. When you know a certain pair, you know how it's going to react, you know what its temperaments are and everything, how to push its buttons. I just knew it was just going to, like, price was going to draw lower, and it wasn't going to, because price could have pulled back up here and gone bullish, which is done many times for me before, but this time I knew it wasn't going to just pull and respect this area, because there was a gap, a physical gap in price, and there was physical gap here as well. So it's probably, yeah, it's pulling to this 15 area. So wow. But yeah, I've passed that challenge and I'm super happy. Let me see my dashboard. Why is it not? Why is it not loaded? Is this me or is it not loaded? I did get that, right? I did get that. So 2 wins, no losses. That is right. Why is it not loaded? How's it saying that's the target? That says last updated. That's not right. Don't annoy me now. Because I could have held that trade to all the way to here. Right, hold on. So guys, I just got an email from Funded Trading. Is it Funding Trading? Funding Trading Plus. And yes, I think it was just a bit of a lag, but but yeah, I just got the confirmation that I have passed, and yes, profit gains 10 over 10%, 10.75%, target zero. You know, like literally profit goal, average win in trade is 2,667. Trades 1, 2, hard wall breach, soft wall breach, nothing. Congratulations, you've passed this stage. Please check your notifications for details. So I'm just super happy and blessed, and I just thank God for keeping blessing me with this skill and the knowledge and the wisdom and the understanding to be able to pass these challenges the way I do. And you know, with I'm so grateful. I'm so, and the way I do, and you know, the people I have around me teaching me and mentoring me, I just feel so blessed and so grateful for opportunities like this and days like this, and the knowledge that I have to make those moves and be so discerning. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate all the love and support. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. I have to get back to work now, so love you guys. See you in the next video.